Hey guys, so this video today I'm going to do some LED puddle lights in the mirrors of my R36. So you've got your mirrors, okay, and essentially these, this is in my garage, so excuse the mess. You've got these lights that are here, right? So when you open the door, they come on, right? So they're just a normal wedge bulb in there, and whilst you can put a ordinary wedge bulb back in there and like an LED for example, they're probably not the brightest that you could probably put in there. The shape of a lot of LEDs in the T10 wedge bulb, the W5W bulb, they're quite large and they don't always go back into the same housing that the original filament bulb come out of. So what they've done, they've made an LED replacement complete unit for that, for this mirror. It fits a lot of other Volkswagen cars, so it's not just for this B6 Passat. So I'll grab them and we'll have a quick look. All right, so that's how they basically come in a box. It was just a plain white box. There wasn't any particular brand aside from that. All right, they're an error-free LED, so they shouldn't have any check engine light or little warning lights on the dash. Gonna need some basic tools as far as I think it's a T10. I've got a H security bit in mine, but it doesn't matter. And that's to get into the for the retainer bolt. So you can see it's all LEDs in there, and it replaces the entire housing and unit and plugs into where the factory bulb would plug into. So you can basically start by gently pressing that across, and you can see that little bolt there. So this whole housing gets replaced. All right, so I'm going to go and remove that. So basically, once you get that out, you have the unit out there. You'll need some, like a bit of grip to pull that rubber boot out. It's sort of stuck in there with a bit of a seal. Just, you can see that little bit of a taper there. It sort of sits in there nice and tight and watertight. So you'll take that off, place him on the ground. Then you'll wiggle your wedge bulb out. Try and do this with two hands and not with one hand. Yeah, not going to work too well. I don't want to pull that wire, so just give me 2 seconds. Alrighty, so I've pulled out the bulb, put the little connector into where the bulb was, and we've got him all connected up there, and we'll see if it works. Whoa, look how bright that is. Alright, I'll connect it all back up together and put it back in the housing. There you have it. I have a little 2-year-old and a 4-year-old watching me. But that's the LED puddle light installed. Done. I'll do a little video. I won't do the other side just yet. I'll actually do a video. Yeah, you want to see it too, don't you, buddy? I'll do a little video of one side with the LED and one side with the standard bulb at night time, because it only takes literally 30 seconds to replace. So I'll do the other one later. That way it'll give you a true 50-50. That's the LED side, and that's the standard side. And that's all the dogs in the neighborhood barking. So it's definitely a lot brighter, a hell of a lot brighter.